water.
Oh, you just did it again.
Oh my! I can't believe this.
Oh, well, this is fun.
Oh, I want to do that too. It's so hot. I want to go for a swim.
But then maybe the wind.
I see these guys. Actually, I don't see these guys every day. But I see whales every day. But that was cool.
If they fire
Put the show on.
Look at that. He jumped right out.
Oh, got it.
Oh my God!
When they do that, that's called spy hopping.
they're playing tag.
Да.
They're all like
Все сняла, по-моему.
50. Что?
Как?
Ну уже 10
Уже 10 вейлов. Поверьте на нас, вот смотрите, какой вид.